Number one asks us to look at two triangles and if they have similarity to each other. We need to give the similarity statement if there is similarity, and of course, the similarity theorem used. This is a classic example of how to look at and solve for these types of problems in the triangle similarity. We have three different theorems that we work with, and I'll write these off to the side here. We have what's called side, side, side similarity. We have angle, angle similarity. And we also have SAS similarity, which stands for side, angle, side. Three options here. Now, we can only look at one because notice we have side, side, side. We have angle, angle. And then we have side, angle, side here. And when we know nothing about the angles, that essentially removes those two as options. So we're looking at triple side here. And all we need to do is prove proportionality, meaning I can look at the ratios here, 5/10. I'm going to set up the ratios and go into more detail here. Okay, so we're comparing small to large. Okay, so we're just comparing 4 to 8, 4 to 8, 5 to 10. We're looking at our corresponding sides, and then 6 to 12. Okay, and that would actually, from a written standpoint, that would be the following similarity statements here. We have BC to EF. And then last but not least, we have C circling or going back to A, and then F, D. All right, so again, small to large, small to large. And you'll see it's quite clear that we have a 1 to 2 ratio. 4/8 is 1/2. 5/10 is 1/2. 6/12 is 1/2. Your teacher is going to look for that final statement. Are all ratios the same? So for instance, if I had three ratios I'm looking at, and I ended up with like 1/2, 2/3, like one of them was not matching, this would be a no-go. We can't use triple side. And because we can't use the other two theorems, this is a non-similar situation. But yes, we do have similarity, and we would of course use our triple S triangle. I like to abbreviate. A lot of times you can abbreviate these really long theorem names. Triple side, this little inye, I think it's called, that's similarity, triangle for the triangle, and then THM for theorem. I'd like to add too, just to add on to this particular video, that I forgot to write the similarity statement. The similarity statement would be A, B, C, D, E, F. D, E, F. So A, B, C, and D, E, F. We're just making sure the corresponding sides are matching when we make that statement. And of course, you can always do a quick check here and go, okay, well, we have small, medium, large, okay, and then we have the smaller of the three, medium and large. So you're going in the right direction. Keep that in mind. But again, this is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF.